This is a brand new 2013. Its top features include a navigation system, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, variable valve timing, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and a rear spoiler. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Bennett Chevrolet is located at 6721 Black Horse Pike in Egg Harbor. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.